Hello everyone, this is CEO 100 Able, and today is October 25th, 2022, and it has been exactly 21 years since Windows XP was released to the general public. I figured that I would celebrate by producing a tutorial video on how to extract the music from the Windows XP tour. This tutorial video was requested by ccold2006, so here we go. For this procedure, you will need a software program named exe2swf to convert the tour software programs.exe file into an SWF file since the Windows XP tour is Macromedia Flash based. Then you will need swfrip to extract all the music from the tour software. First, open an internet browser. I'm using Google Chrome on Windows 10 Home. In this case, search for exe2swf on Google. The best website to download it from would be softpedia.com. It has exe2swf 6.0 available. For me, it has worked great. So once you're on this web page, click the download button. This process can take a moment to start. Wait for a few seconds and see what happens. The software will then be downloaded to your computer's hard drive as an executable file. There we go. Next, you will need to search for swfrip on the web. Search for it on Google, and the top result should be the download webpage for swfrip on sourceforge.net. Sure enough, it is. Just click on it. Press the download button to begin the download process. There, the installation file for swfrip has been downloaded successfully. Now, for this tutorial video, let's use a Windows XP Professional virtual machine in Oracle VM VirtualBox, shall we? Hang on 1 second as I will briefly pause here. Alright, the files I just downloaded have been dragged into this Windows XP virtual machine. Yep, this is the original version of Windows XP Professional released on October 25th, 2001. Anyway, the next thing you'll need to do is install swfrip on Windows XP. Accept the license agreement. Click Next. I will disable Add a Quick Launch shortcut because I think adding a desktop shortcut and Start menu shortcuts will be enough. Click Install. And there, the installation process has been completed. Wow, that was very fast. That way, it's ready ahead of time. With that, let's set the installation file aside by putting it in the My Documents folder. There we go. exe2swf 6.0 can run on its own without installation tasks, unlike swfrip, so go ahead and open it up first. Immediately, you will be asked to select a projector exe file. So go to My Computer and then your C drive. The folders you have to select in order are Windows, Help, Tours, and Tour. The Tour folder is where you'll find tour.exe. You will need to use exe to SWF to convert tour.exe to an SWF file. Once you found it, just click on it and select Open. This message indicates that it just found one SWF file. Well, what it means is the exe file that has been selected has already been converted to an SWF file. Yep, it happened immediately. Let's see if we can get to that Tour folder. Go ahead and open the Windows, Help, Tours, and Tour folders in the same exact order again, and you'll find this Shockwave Flash object file with lots of zeros and the number 1 at the end of the file name. It has been created just now, well, on October 25th, 2022 at 1:37 p.m. Now this means the tour file has been converted to an SWF file and it's ready to have its music files implemented into it, extracted from there. SWF RIP will need to be opened up next. Choose File, then click Open. You know the drill, just navigate through those folders again. Make sure to select this SWF file with lots of zeros at the end of the file name. So here's a list of resources. It contains shapes, sounds, sprites, frames, and scripts. So what we're looking for is the music. So just expand sound for the list of audio files stored here. Let's see what sound 00001 sounds like. This is the music used for the Windows XP Basics section. Audio files like this will be opened in Windows Media Player. Upon being opened, the music files will be automatically saved into a corresponding folder for the SWF file we just created, which is this. There's a sound folder, and here is the audio file again. As you can tell, it's been saved as an MP3 file. 00001 is again meant for the Windows XP Basics music, and 00006 is meant for the Windows XP Tour Introduction music. You can also do this task with the Windows XP Home Edition counterpart of the Tour software. But for this tutorial, I'm just having the Windows XP Professional counterpart of the Tour software involved. If you like, you can right-click on an audio file like this and then left-click Save. Windows Media Player will then be opened automatically. And there, that's how you do it. That's how you extract the Windows XP Tour music. I hope you found this video very helpful. So that'll be it for this tutorial video. I also hope you enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun, and it was very nostalgic. Goodbye, everybody, and that's about it.